complicated.
आपने जो रखा है उतना ही चाहिए। हाँ, रोलिंग एक्शन।
ये 270 का सवाल है हिंदी। और अब हमारा आज का सवाल, आप सभी जानते हैं कि रिपीट। और अब हमारा अगला सवाल, आप सभी जानते हैं कि 1997 गुजरना है। रिपीट। और अब हमारा आज का सवाल, आप सभी जानते हैं कि सन 1997 गुजरने वाला है। बहुत ही जल्द हम सभी 21वीं सदी में प्रवेश करने वाले हैं। ज़रा अंदाज़ा लगाइए कैसा होगा वर्ष 2000। पृथ्वी पर हम उन भाग्यशालियों में होंगे जिन्हें नई सदी के नज़ारे का सौभाग्य प्राप्त होगा। ज़रा सोचिए, नई सदी की पहली सुबह, वाह, दुनिया भर में उसका कैसा स्वागत होगा, कितने जोश और उत्साह से। लेकिन एक बात ध्यान में रहे, लोगों को एक बहुत ही बड़ी समस्या का सामना करना होगा इस नई सदी में। एक ऐसी समस्या जिसे लोग निर्धारित समय से पहले सुलझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ये इसे
कट करिए, क्लोज करिए।
लेकिन ध्यान रहे, लोगों को एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या का सामना करना होगा इस नई सदी में। एक ऐसी समस्या जिसे लोग निर्धारित समय से पहले सुलझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। इसे ईयर 2000 या Y2K प्रॉब्लम कहा जा रहा है। क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये Y2K प्रॉब्लम क्या है? और यही है आज का हमारा सवाल। आपको बताना है कि Y2K प्रॉब्लम क्या है। कैन यू टेल अस व्हाट दिस Y2K प्रॉब्लम इज?
कट। ओके।
Let this pass. Let it go, yeah. They're taking the. Okay, let's go.
हाँ ठीक है, ओके। एक्शन।
This is 270 English question. As you all know, we are near the end of 1997. In a little over 2 years, we shall be entering the second millennium, that is 2000 AD. Imagine living in the year 2000. Then?
Imagine living in the year 2000.
We will be the first set of individuals.
And
Okay.
the first thing is 2 years.
एक्शन।
As you all know, we are in the
End of the 1997.
end of
We are
1997.
near the end of
Okay.
1997.
As you all know, we are near the end of 1997. In a little over 2 years, we shall enter the second millennium, that is 2000 AD. Imagine living in the year 2000. We will be the first set of individuals to be privileged to do so. Imagine the first hour of the first dawn of the new millennium. What celebrations there will be all over the world, what excitement. But there will be one major problem, one huge problem that people will have to face. In fact, people are desperately trying to solve this problem before the deadline expires. This is called the year 2000 or the Y2K problem. Can you tell us what this Y2K problem is? I repeat the question, listen carefully. You have to tell us what this Y2K problem is.
कट। रेणुका,
Yeah.
रोल प्लीज। रोलिंग। एक्शन।
As you all know, we are near the end of 1997. In a little over 2 years, we shall enter the second millennium, that is 2000 AD. Imagine living in the year 2000. We will be the first set of individuals on this planet to be privileged to do so. Imagine the first hour of the first dawn of the new millennium. What celebrations there will be all over the world. What excitement. But there will be one major problem, one huge problem that people will have to face. In fact, people are desperately trying to solve this problem before the deadline expires. This is called the year 2000 or the Y2K problem. Can you tell us what this Y2K problem is? I repeat the question, listen carefully. You have to tell us what this Y2K problem is.
कट। ओके।
Okay.
रोलिंग। एक्शन।
Soon we shall enter the second millennium, that is 2000 AD. Imagine living in the year 2000. We will be the first set of individuals on this planet to be privileged to do so. Imagine the first hour of the first dawn of the new millennium. What celebrations there will be all over the world, what excitement. But there will be one major problem, one huge problem that people will have to face. In fact, people are desperately trying to solve this problem before the deadline expires. This is called the year 2000 or the Y2K problem. Can you tell us what this Y2K problem is? I repeat the question. Listen very carefully. You have to tell us what this Y2K problem is.
Don't cut. Just announce that this is the second and the correct.
Okay. This is the second and the correct alternative for the English 270 question.
Cut. Good. Cut. Slow and aram se.
Rolling.
Okay, Akash. मिल गई कट करी
Rolling.
वापस चला जाए टिल्ट अप करके कट करी कैसा लगा
Kumar Varnakula.
I'll say I'll ask you the question, huh?
Okay, rolling, sir.
Your name, please.
I am Kumar Varnakula.
Okay, Kumar, tell us what is the first dish that you are going to cook for us?
We are going to prepare this salad, that is Caesar salad. It's a traditional Caesar salad. So we cook that with, we make it with soft lettuce and you call it Caesar dressing that made out of eggs, olive oil, anchovy, cheese, mustard, normally pommery mustard, chopped bacon and chopped garlic. Plus garnish with again anchovy fillet, parmesan cheese, chopped parsley and croutons. That is the salad it's going to be.
That is the salad.
Yes.
Okay. What is the second dish called?
Second dish is I can give you a vegetable dish that is it's Chinese really. We make it in a French style, but it is traditional Chinese chopsy, vegetable chopsy, and it is with carrots, cabbage, mushrooms.
Just
Put that in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
once again. About the second dish.
Second dish is vegetable chopsy. That is we prepare in French style, but it is traditional normal Chinese chopsy. That is with carrots, mushrooms, cabbage, peppers, and you can add so on things. Plus soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, sugar, MSG, that is Ajinomoto, very little, little garlic chopped, little ginger. That is the sauce it's going to be. You can serve it the way you like. We accompany it with vegetable spring rolls and a net of vermicelli.
Okay. Cut.
Third one,
Wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah. What is the third dish?
The third dish is, we call it lamb fillet in herb and mushroom crust wrapped with crepinette. That is, you call it pork net, you call it crepinette in its French name. And then we prepare it, we take a lamb fillet of lamb, you season with salt, pepper, with crushed pepper, and herb de Provence, that is mixed herbs. So you season it on the pan, take it out, and make the herb and mushroom crust with sliced fresh mushroom, herb de Provence, that is mixed herbs, chopped parsley, little black pepper, salt, and mix with little soft butter, and you top the fillet with that crust, and then wrap it with pork net, that is crepinette, and you bake it in the oven as you desire, the stage as you want, at the medium, well done, whatever you want, and then you serve with thyme potato, and we call it summer vegetables or garden vegetables, whatever the vegetable that you have.
Cut. Okay, Kumar, I'll ask you the third dish once again, please.
Yes.
Yeah, please tell us what is the third dish you are cooking for us.
We are going to cook a lamb fillet with mushrooms and herb crust wrapped with pork net, that is, you call it crepe net. The preparation is you take the lamb fillet and season with salt, pepper, especially crushed pepper, and herb de Provence, mixed herbs, and seal it on a pan. First you seal, and you top it up with that herb and mushroom crust. That is with sliced mushroom, fresh mushroom, chopped parsley, herbs, mixed herbs, little crushed pepper, salt, and little soft butter. Mix that and top the fillet up. Then wrap the fillet with pork net, that is crepinette, and bake it in the oven as you desire. Right? You serve with herb potato and mix with any vegetables you have, plus herb and red wine sauce. Maybe we use burgundy sauce. That's it.
Tell me, Kumar, about your third dish. Have you done any experiment to change the taste of the dish? Anything that you have done on your own?
Yes, this was really we used to give it with the herb crust only before. That is with we make a herb bread, right? You soak it with salt, pepper, and eggs. Whole egg. You dip it up like you soak it up, then wrap the fillet with that, right? And the mushroom inside. So instead of this pork net, we use that. So it will be a crust of bread of herbs. That was the one we used to give before. We changed it to this way, and even the sauce we changed with herbs and the sauce.
So, because you brought about this change, what is the difference in the taste now?
Yeah, when you wrap with pork net, definitely you get the taste of that fat, pork fat. Lard taste is different to all the other things. Like taste of fat of the lamb is different, and this is different taste, and looks also different.
Okay, cut. Fine. Okay, now tell us, chef, these are the ingredients for which dish? Cisse salad. Okay. Cut करो.
Cut.
एक close the
Toast.
इस पे?
Toast.
Yeah. Okay. What is this?
That is bread croutons, fried bread croutons, fried in bread cut in small pieces, fried in butter.
How much of this you use? How many grams?
Maybe 5 to 10 grams.
5 to 10 grams of bread croutons.
Yes.
Next. इस पे आ रहा है? Rolling. Next.
That is chopped parsley.
Chopped parsley. How many grams?
About 1 teaspoon.
About 1 teaspoon. Next.
Yeah, that is anchovy. That is about 15 grams.
15 grams of anchovy. Next. किस पे जा रहे हो? इस पे? Ready, Akash? Yeah. This
4 tablespoons of olive oil.
4 tablespoons of olive oil. Next.
1 minute boiled egg.
आगे एक पे है?
Then
1 minute. Is it 1 minute boiled egg?
Yes.
1 minute boiled egg. 1 egg or 2 eggs?
1 egg.
1 egg.
Then this is
No, one. This Akash किस पे आ रहा तुम? Next, this पे? इस पे?
That is
चम्मच
parmesan
बाजू में
cheese.
कीजिए, चम्मच चम्मच
You can remove the spoon.
अभी उसके पीछे वाले पे
इस पे हो? Yeah, what is this?
That is pommery mustard. Pommery mustard.
Pommery mustard. How many grams?
About 10 to 15 grams. That's also.
10 to 15 grams of Pommery mustard. Next.
उसके बाजू में
This
That is chopped bacon. About
chopped bacon.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. इस पे है?
That is chopped garlic.
Chopped garlic.
About 1 teaspoon.
About 1 teaspoon. Next. इस पे आ जाओ.
About 10 grams of parmesan cheese.
आ गया आकाश?
हाँ ये
About 10 grams of Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. Last is एक कट करो एक मिनट जरा इसको.
रोलिंग का
So that's a piece of lemon which is optional. Why is it optional?
Because some people use, some people don't. You know, that can be used. It's better. Some people like, don't like.
According to the taste.
According to the
If you
taste.
like, you use it. If you don't, if it doesn't suit their taste, they don't use it. Cut. Are you ready, chef?
Yep.
Okay.
रोलिंग का
Okay. Start. आकाश कहीं नहीं मिलता तो रोक देना.
Right.
Then you add bacon
And chopped garlic.
and chopped garlic is added to that. Close है उसको. What are you putting next?
That is anchovy fillet.
Anchovy fillet. आप चाहो तो पूरे को लेके आकाश एक बना सकते हो एकदम वाइड ताकि थोड़ा कट भी अलग से मिले फुल नीचे ऊपर दोनों मिला के
तो ये फ्रेम में आइए या बाहर दीजिए
just come inside the frame little bit हाँ that's it थोड़ा सा हाँ make can you stir it for little more time yeah good
ओके नेक्स्ट
next
Next is we have to toast this salad
Hmm?
with this dressing. Okay.
Now you take that out and put that dish. Yeah, okay. Fine. Okay. Cut. 1 minute. Kumar, will you repeat once again what is this?
This is sofflet. This is iceberg lettuce we use. We can use any sofflet used for this.
And how many grams?
About 50 to 100 grams.
Depending on
Yes.
the quantity.
I'm talking about this sofflet.